you're such a cutie. Wait, please, it's that go off your clothes, go off your clothes. And bam. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, your girl Olan Spell. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna be doing a soft glam makeup tutorial. Yep, you heard me right. So I just said I don't use the soft glams. So today I'm going to be doing a soft glam makeup tutorial, and yeah, let's just have fun. Parker, say hi. And today I have my best friend here with me. This is who keeps me company at night, in the morning, during the day. This is Parker, guys. This is Parker. I've had him since 2018. Parker, say hi.
Hi guys, my name is Parker. I'm Margaret's best friend.
Oh, you're such a cutie.
I know I am, Margaret. Thank you. Guys, subscribe to Margaret's channel. I'm off. Bye.
Let's dive right into the video. Okay, so the first thing to do, definitely as usual, is draw my brows. Or do you guys think I should do that last? Anyways, let me do this first. So guys, how's quarantine going for you? Because for me, my mom has almost killed me. We work in this house. But then, as at the time I'm filming this video, today is 5th of May. I went out yesterday. Yesterday was when the lockdown was eased, but I went to work actually. I went to work. Don't give me that judgmental face. I went to work and it wasn't bad. Don't worry, I didn't take the bus. My dad dropped me. So I went out yesterday, guys, and it wasn't as bad as I thought. I don't know, but then the videos I was seeing though, but the traffic was mad. Traffic was mad. Traffic. Anyways, I'm just filling in my brows as usual. I don't want to use this side. So let me tell you what my sister did when I got home. As if I was a plague. As if I was a plague that just entered inside the room like this. Go off your clothes, go off your clothes. So if I just sit down like this on her bed, she will die. Anyways, now we're going to conceal. As I was saying, she just shouted as if no. I never remember that there's corona, this or that one. Every time she just shouted, you're not supposed to get off your clothes. Shoo. That she even owns the bed. When she came, she went straight to go and put off her clothes. I'm coming to gist on old. You know this thing is concentration. Always concentrate. So she was not shouting that. Even she, the owner of the bed, when she came, she did not sit down on the bed though. That she went to go off her clothes. This one, that one. And she never even go far. Shoo. Sha, I've learned my lesson. Sha, I'm not going out again, so really. I'm not going to work again. Work is still further notice. That's what I was showed yesterday. So guys, I've got, hopefully I maximize my time and I'm able to create more content than you know, than my lazy ass would normally. So guys, now that the brows are done, I feel like for soft glamming, it's just you and however you want it to look for you. It's for me, so I'll just be putting powder on my lid, and I'm going to be going in with a darker shade than I usually would, just because I want to have that effect on my lid. This is the Milani powder. This is in deep. Yeah. So you see what we have? We have this orange effect, and I think that's like great since we're just doing a regular soft glam. I think I finished my sister's gist that you put that enter the bathroom, and I just like initially I was going to go have my baths, but then I was really tired and I was having a headache yesterday. So in my mind, like, let me just rest more, and a bed was the nearest, so I just stayed on a bed and this auntie screamed on me. Because I'm not a big fan of using regular eyeliners, I'm gonna go in with this shade. This is the Nomad palette, so I'm gonna go in with this brown shade from here, and I'm just gonna use it as a liner. I'll just use it here so I can use my lashes comfortably without like yeah. So now I already have that effect. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop on my lashes off camera. So let me just go right there and do that and be back here. So now that we have our eyes all set, it's time to do foundation. Now I'm going to go in with my primer. This is Health. I'll just put this on my hand and just need that in. So now I'm going to be using my Juvia's foundation, and this has turned into my all-time favorite in Kampala. But now I like to use very small when I'm just casually doing this type of makeup. So now just blending. Don't forget to always get your beauty blender damp, or you could just use a brush. Okay guys, so the next thing is to conceal, and I'm going to be concealing now. So, and then after using your concealer, I like to apply a lighter shade here and here, so that when it's fully blended, they all blend in. Anyway, so I'm just gonna do this. I like to create a cut with my concealer too. You must make sure that it's fully blended in. Then blend the other side too. So guys, I'm going to be using my setting powder now. I think we should go soft. I'm just going to dab it on the highlighted areas. Going new powder contour, and I'm using Jordana eyeshadow. This is a brown shade, and I've been using it for a really long time. So now I'm just going to use a powder overall just to blend everything in. So now I'm just going to go in with my regular powder and just like powder everything down and make sure that my face is fully alright. So my waterline. Make sure to pop on your lashes on that soon. There we have it. So now I'll just go in with my lip gloss and like that's basically it. Spray my face and we're good to go, baddies. I'm going to be using this to like line my lips and this, and I'll just be fine. This is like basic nude. I'm going with my lip gloss. And guys, we're good to go. Good to go. Oh, sorry. I feel like I'm glowing already without highlighter. So guys, I'm going to use my blush. And I'm using this shade. Just put that on my cheek. That way we're blushed up my highlighter. I'm using my Huda Beauty palette and this shade. Going with that. Depending on you, you can tone down the glow however you want. So guys, I'm just going to spray my face now. I have the right product in every place and bam, just like this, darlings, you're good to go. This is beginners friendly nude tutorial. This is something you can definitely try out. This is a soft glam. This is everything you can call it, guys. I'm in love with how this came out. A simple nude glam that you can always try anytime, any day as you want. I think it would be perfect to say, if you have not subscribed to my channel at this point, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share if you want to. I mean, there's no harm in sharing to your friends. So thank you guys for watching my video once again. I love you guys. Mwah.